Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Frase. Now Frase is an AI-powered content platform that is designed to streamline and enhance the content creation workflow with a strong focus on search engine optimization, that is SEO. Its key features can be summarized as content research, automated content briefs, outline builder, AI writing assistant, content optimization, templates, integration, multilingual optimization, content analytics, that is through GSC integration, that is Google Search Console integration. So what are you waiting for? You can go to frase.io to check it out and try it for free for you to build a content engine that actually works.